All right, so let's talk about a Thieves do-it-yourself Thieves scrub cleaner. So if you're looking for a heavy-duty cleaning product, this is going to be your best friend. So a quick and easy recipe for a deep cleaning um, product using your Thieves cleaner. So you'll need 3 cups of baking soda, 3/4 of a cup of Thieves household cleaner, 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar, and 30 drops of lemon essential oil. So you'll combine all those ingredients in a bowl, and it'll kind of be like a paste texture. Put it in an airtight container, and that's good up to 3 months. So you'll be good to go. So you'll just use it. You can use it on those tough shower drains or faucets or anything like that. So that'll be a great tool for you to use with your Thieves cleaner. So happy cleaning.